When it comes to justice being served in criminal court, the public often thinks of the prosecutors, the lawyers who work to hold defendants accountable for their crimes. But what about the victims? They suffer the most from the effects of crime. Here at the Riverside County District Attorney's Office, we have an entire division committed to working with victims and their loved ones. It's called the Division of Victim Services, or DVS.
Victims of violent crime have already been through a horrific and devastating experience. And now they have to go through a court process that can be confusing, frustrating, and can sometimes add trauma on top of the trauma they've already experienced. Victims have to be prepared to take the witness stand. At DVS, a victim services specialist is assigned to work with the victim, explain the process, and guide them through it every step of the way. Our victim services specialists educate victims about their constitutional rights under Marsy's law. A lot of these rights have to do with making sure the victim is informed about the case as it moves along. Victims of crime have the right to request restitution to hold the defendant financially responsible for crime-related losses. Victims have the constitutional right to be present in court during criminal proceedings. At the time of sentencing, a victim has the right to provide a victim impact statement. This is their opportunity to address the court and express the devastating impacts of crime. A victim services specialist can assist the victim with preparing their statement, can be present when the victim gives their statement, or even read the statement on their behalf. Sometimes victims need a little extra support. And that's where the facility dog, Rachel, comes in. She sits with them, comforts them, and guides them through the process.
When people talk about criminal justice, too often victims are left out of that conversation. Not here in Riverside County. The Division of Victim Services ensures that victims and their families are never forgotten as we seek justice.